We have to put it like through here.
What we're going to do, strap up the pressure washer, fix up the motor hopefully, attach it to this beautiful thing. Hopefully it'll work. Motor's not even attached to it properly.
Honestly?
Just attach that.
Just tuck it in a few things. Drawing block. Oh my god, it's got keys in it as well. Perfect. Yep. That's
That's not moving.
tie the hose around. Yep. We get defected on the middle of the road.
What did you do then?
I took 5 minutes around.
Oh, mechanical crunch, bro. So we finally got the stuff in the back. Hopefully it won't fly out and kill some innocent person.
This is the test. Oh,
Yeah, by the way, we bought a tent. No, not bought.
took a 10.
We took a tent. It's currently in the toolbox. So I guess we'll see what happens, huh? It's doing pretty well so far.
Everyone's gonna get a good look at this.
Oh god.
But I want to make this thing like more in Queen.
Oh no, full paint job.
Yeah, were any of us mechanics here? No.
No, we've never even touched a pressure washer.
I have.
Are you talking about today? Washing your car?
No, my brother's on his work here.
Okay.
On his work here there.
Still. Oh, that's got potential right there.
It's like boxes.
Boxes of possible stuff. So we'll see. We'll really see how this plays.
Oh my god, there's more!
Oh, there's more!
There's a gaming chair there.
Oh,
Mate.
we need to go back.
There's another one!
Where? Where?
On the left.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna find another pressure washer.
Oh my god, what's that?
There's more shit. Oh, we are turning around, bro. We are stopping every 10 metres, I swear.
The water pressure on the car! Why do you have these?
Hey, I mean, if it works, it works. Honestly, that's all that's all that's needed. Now we've seen about 5, maybe 6 or 7. Like I'm currently just searching for anything at this point because one man's trash is another man's treasure. That's what they say.
Just do this, let's go. This rubbish. We're not touching it.
It's got a treadmill.
We don't need
It's got a barbecue.
We don't need a treadmill barbecue.
I want a barbecue. So we visited 2 more.
We've got a TV and a lamp.
TV.
TV and a lamp.
Look out the back. It's a bit dark, but you see TV. Yeah, the 2 lamps are behind it.
as you can see. These keys are this is. Oh, don't know what else to say about it besides it's fucked. I don't even know if these are tightening or just that. Is it coming off? It's not, eh?
I don't know. This is the hardest thing ever. Liam's got to
I don't even think this can tighten
hold
you.
this little nut,
Move your fucking drill. Go.
and I've got to.
That's surely too small. You're not holding it.
You know. Oh, there you go. I've done it.
Oh, give us. I'll do the outside. You can hold the nut.
There we go. Where'd you put the other?
Where'd the nut go?
Where'd you put the...
There, it's over there. Chuck us the gun. Which way's forward and which way's backwards?
The other one. Oh, there it does by itself.
No, it's not.
I've done it. No, I've done it.
Yeah. Mate. Ready?
There you're not. Now you got to unscrew the whole thing. Fuck. Get it in.
This one.
What? There's not even one on this side. Where's the other? I'm still Come on.
Fuck no, fuck off.
I need it. Why's that one come off?
So what comes off there?
Watch it.
Hey, it's still bolted in over here. These are not gonna kick off. Bro, we've just loosened it so it can go up and down.
It's probably more annoying.
Oh god. Oh yuck.
Oh. Oh, that's rank. I've done it.
What's on my hands? If you can't, we're not made for this shit. Ah! Haha! I figured out our problem. What the fuck is that? Give me the wrench thing. Give me this.
That's actually easy as hell.
You can't just fucking snap it off.
Look, if you go like that and then you just try to pull it backwards.
But if we just undo these bolts and make it life easier as well.
I know. No, the bolts just stop it from sliding up and down.
What are you doing, bro?
It's not lifting up anymore. See, the bolts don't do anything.
Say some arms do the trick.
I need to pop the bracket.
Hold up, let me get something out my car.
I've just been tightening the bowl the whole time.
Yeah. Same. Give me a hammer.
No, that's putting it inwards more. Stop it. Chill. Oh. Chucking burn stuff all over me.
Mate, it's just. A wrench would come in handy instead of fucking pliers.
Yeah, probably, but like.
The pliers up, fucking hold.
Thing for me, bro. Staying.
Look, how about we switch? I'll give you this.
Mate, we just need to go do the same hole. You hold the freaking wrench. Yeah, go.
Mate, it's not stated. Oh.
You're tightening it up, yeah?
Which way's got a loose on your side?
Now try it.
Oh fuck. Wait, take it out for a sec. I'll do some. So that time we spent like 10 minutes trying to fucking do it ourselves.
We got the first bit off.
He's on the right.
Oh. Oh, you need to hold the end bolt. Yeah.
Are you fucking with me? Yeah.
This is little nut.
Where?
There.
Mate, hey. We're getting rid of this one screw.
Oh fuck. Put it in camera frame. I gotta. As you can see, well, you're very stupid, and we're back. Oh, we had KFC
Ow.
for lunch. If you want to know, I had 5 chicken tenders, large chips, frozen Pepsi. What did you have lunch? What did you have lunch for lunch?
Not much.
Go.
I got scammed.
Oh fuck!
Oh, use the wrench.
You didn't tell them use the.
I did say to use the wrench.
No, you didn't tell them that what you had for lunch, mate. Tell them how you got scammed.
They don't care.
Yes, I do.
No, they don't.
Mate, what happened to music?
If someone says in the comments that they care, then
Go.
oh fuck, it's gonna break the fucking thing.
Go. Oh fuck.
I can't. I'm just taking this shit off. I'm gonna try to use the piece itself.
Use the jaw. The jaw is stronger.
I've got a better idea.
Yuck. So the idea of those two things is to hold the screw in place and hold it from going in and out of those holes. So why do you think it's gonna fucking
The what
smack?
spacer?
So you have these are made to make sure it doesn't go through the fucking hole.
Yeah, I know, but
So why do you think you're gonna be able to smack it through the hole?
because I'm sick of trying.
Like, what the fuck? This is where I grind them. We're gonna have to flip it. I reckon this.
We'll get back to that later. Yeah, no, we gotta flip it upside down.
Oh fuck, mate. Yeah.
No, we can't do that, bro.
Yes, we can.
No, we can't, because then it'll start leaking fluids. And yeah, everything will get cracked. We just gotta make sure there's nothing else attached. Like, it's attached anywhere else.
It is definitely like bolted. Yeah, it's bolted in the bottom.
Yeah, I know, but anywhere else.
Nah, it's literally.
Oh, like that.
What is this?
That's the switch. Okay, just fucking break it. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it like that.
God. Oh. This is gonna be the time lapse part, actually.
Oh, why does it smell like that? Do you smell that or not?
No.
I smell something. Oh, it's leaking.
What?
It's dripping. Where is it dripping? Can you see? Because I'm talking about right there. That smell. Oh, it's probably WD-40. Oh, that's not good. What the fuck? I swear if that captures that. I swear, bro. We've just discovered something. Oh, we found the pull to turn it on.
Wait, we took the battery off.
Oh, we never mind. Oh.
I was just cranking it. I was like, did we take the battery off?
Oh. I'm gonna have to.
I love how I was cranking
that's
it.
fucked.
What?
I'm not even gonna be able to get to these.
Let's do it.
I can't.
Let's try.
You can't. Look.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're gonna have to take the petrol off.
How?
Hold up. Hold up.
So we've f***ed this bit.
It's just got a bit of metallic rust on it.
Now.
Hold up. Bring it over my side.
Oh,
We're gonna need to take off this.
I mean, if we can.
Oh wait.
Oh, mate.
Yep. Let's push a bit.
Wait. Hold up.
Wait. Oh, I'm about to get. I'm gonna pull the engine up, and you just gotta push it through.
Ow.
Hey. Okay, we need that. So put it with the battery. That's the keeping pile. Okay. Okay. Now we can. Where's me thing?
Ugh.
Where's me bombo?
How many,
Oh, it's here.
how many fucking screws have we
I
taken
know
off?
it's cooked. Yeah, move them all over. Do not drop the engine, please. My arm's currently under it. All right. All right.
Yep.
Bring it to me more.
Just punch the shit out of that, eh? Oh.
Oh, please work.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it does.
A few moments later.
Let's do it like that. Oh! What is that?
That's like motor fluid, probably.
That is a rake. Oh, it's coming towards me. Surely this goes in the bin after this.
It's a bed sheet. No, it's it's a crappy one. Don't worry.
Oh, I was gonna say this has got more than just bed sheet.
Hey, everything about you.
I love how I was cranking it. You're like, I can't wait for it to start. And I'm like, we took the battery.
All right, you're gonna have to like sit under it.
Oh, I don't want to sit under it.
You gotta hold it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Well, sit down then. Sit down and just hold your arms under it.
You know how much weight it's gonna take on my arms?
You're gonna have to, bro.
It's gonna break my
As
arm.
soon as I take one of these off, it's gonna fall.
Yeah, I know.
It's not that heavy, bro.
I mean, if we just sit it like.
Yeah, but it's leaking. Oh! You're making a fucking cream. How do we close this shit?
Wait,
where's it even leaking out of?
I don't know.
Alright, this is basically all we got left. You know, just a little tarp. This thing's off. So we can take the glue off. Structure of it here in case we need to attach it to the actual go-kart. And inside we have the motor, the battery, the hose in case whatever. Got the petrol, the on switch, and that's basically it. So we will see you guys next.